Ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance tu lingba ka jingelang kinhun menteri ha khatwei tarik unailar arhaja aphlai kalarai Pyrkhing ya ka jingleit bari ki ophisar kata nang ni sakmat tang sien ha ka snem haba pentep ya ka ni hadian ka jingelang uba polling do menteri badai khmi ya katnat social welfare ulang balada ki ophisar ki don kam banlet ha ka sien ka baar ken ha ban pen biang shwa ya ka kai phot jong ka jingleit ka baningkong.
Several of these visits are on the basis of invitations, conferences, delegations, and so on and so forth in pursuing various programs like externally aided projects, training and capacity building programs, etc. But taking into account the fiscal limitations and also the need to rationalize these visits, it was decided that henceforth foreign visits of any official of the state government, including contractual staff, will be limited to 2 visits per financial year. It was also decided that if the same official has to undertake the second visit, he should first submit progress report of the first visit, and on his ability to submit a satisfactory report with tangible results, then only the second visit will be cleared. And also we have decided that the state government can sponsor only 1 visit, and the next will have to be borne either by Government of India or an external agency. And the only exception will happen if that official is visiting a foreign country to receive an award on behalf of the government of Meghalaya. Well, the figures are not readily available with me, but the whole point is that there have been umpteen requests and visits undertaken by several such officials, which only needed the clearance of the Chief Minister. But today, in order to, as a prudent fiscal measure, the Cabinet decided to rationalize such visits, reduce their frequency to 2, and also obtain progress reports so that there is no wasteful expenditure of the public exchequer.
What about cabinet ministers, including the sien?
In the case of cabinet ministers, as you are aware, this is tied to clearance by the MEA, and recently, as I briefed you a couple of weeks back, the MEA has come up with very stringent conditions for even clearing such professors of visits. So this includes even the Chief Minister.
But some officers they tag along with the cabinet minister CM. So what?
That's, yeah, they will come under this particular decision. That will be 1 official for 1 visit based on submission of a satisfactory progress report. Yes, yes. It's precisely because of the frequency of visits seemed irrational that we decided to rationalize it.
And how many such cases, more or less?
We can only say that the frequency does not match with the results, so we decided to rationalize it. Well, in certain cases, reports have been submitted. In certain cases, there has no such reports were made, or maybe the reports were not satisfactory, because we are driven by the need to achieve results. So what we're saying today is that official, that minister has to show results when undertaking an official visit.